Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the Pixel app. Select the import button. Go to the gallery. Select a photo. Crop the photo. Remove the background. Select the erase color. Then select the import button. Go to the gallery. Select another photo. Remove the background. Select the erase color. Crop the photo. Select the stroke. Adjust the color green. Then select the 3D shape. The path 10. Select the expression. Duplicate the shape. Then select the another color. Adjust the color to back the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.